Hi, Miss. My name is Michelle Vaca. This is the group number 15. The topic is examples from English in the following linguistics areas of modern English. Okay, let's start. The first, look at this table. It shows example from 5 linguistic areas of modern English.
Hi, Miss. I am Damaris Vasquez. Yes, starting with phonology is focused on the sounds of language. For example, the a song is sung or in car. A song shares meaning what phonemes do.
Hello, Miss. My name is Juliana Flores. Then there, syntax with is the structure of sentences. It shows how sentences are formed. Like I am sleepy, which is a simple affirmative sentence. Or it is not remembered, which is a negative sentence with a subject, verb, and object.
Hi, my name is Leslie Martinez. Okay, then there is morphology, which deals with how words are formed, right? For example, happy. Happy is a free morpheme, and when we add nas, it becomes happiness. We can also change words like cat to cats or run to run.
Hi, my name is Jimena Alexandra Coelho. Okay, finality segments that which meaning some words mean the same thing are like happy and joyful, which are some noise another obsession. I like how called and some words are like room can mean many different ideas develop on the context.
Okay, we can see the next table, table number 2, word for all Middle and Modern English.
Okay, let's start with cup. And in all in English, you are see the phonetic is spelled well or the in Malay English in the become the RD. The pronunciation is there and finality in this modern English in its hard the pronunciation. Notice how the old English feel calendar has replaced by in date over time.
Moving on the C90, the Old English pronunciation was next. In the vowel into nine, in the Middle English pronunciation next, and the now in the now nine pronunciation nine. The initial kid so decipher completely in the GA becomes silent as the evolutionary explanation indicates.
As for stand, the Old English pronunciation was stone. In Middle English, it becomes stone. With the pronunciation stone in Modern English, it is stone pronounced stone. In the UK, of Austin, stone or stone. In the U, the case change here in the sheet in the long vowel sounds.
Okay, then we have host pronounced host in Old English. It became house with the same pronunciation host in the Middle English. It is now house pronounced housed, and the explanation points to the emergence of the modern diphthong O, replacing the early closer vowel sound.
Okay, finally, with was a pronunciation with in Old English in the challenges too with the sound the pronunciation with in modern English and is now with pronunciation with. The evolutionary expansion and with the linguistic how the long I sound the transformator in the sound the diphthong I interrogated the mouth in married woman remaining the consonant and for not these challenges.
In this example, we see consistent pattern of phonics change. The spelling modification in English based from Old English or to Middle English to Modern English. Some sounds were logs sounds in the initial case in night. We knew one emerged sounds on the diphthong in house.
And sleeping often reflects in early pronunciation, so we have the silent letter like the GA in night. It is a reminder of how the word was pronounced.
It is also evident that the vowel sound underwent significant change. The long vowels of Old English gradually change and sometimes become diphthongs in Modern English, as seen in the next words, stand and with.
The replacement of certain letters such as with shows a simplification and standardization of writing language over time.
This example really highlights the dynamic natural language. It is constantly changing as pronunciation influences spelling and vice versa, all of the which contribute to the language we speak today.
It makes you realize that in the whole comes we back after listening to Old English. It was sounded very strategic to our modern ERC, before this basic words.
Absolutely, the pronunciation was very different, and even the grammar and sentence structure were quite distinct. This table gives us idea of the change in sound and spelling.
Of course, it's like watching the different stage of a living organism. English undoubtedly was grown and transformed over the centuries.
And these challenges were the students, they were gradual transformation that occurred every generation of speakers.
Exactly, it is a slow, continued evolution driven by the what people speak natural and the how language communications interact.